Namaskar students. I hope you are taking good care of yourself and sincerely studying and enriching yourself with the online content, the videos that we are bringing at your doorsteps. Students, today we will study the first chapter of Supplementary Reader Footprints Without Feet. The name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery and the writer is James Herriot. Children, James Herriot is a veterinary surgeon, and here in this chapter he recounts the episode where he saves the life of a listless dog, Tricky, by hospitalizing him. Children, Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich, overindulgent woman, and she expressed her love for her dog, Tricky, by overfeeding him, as a result of which Tricky fell ill due to excessive eating and lack of exercise. Now, let's find out how does the dog recover, whether the doctor performed any surgery or not. The narrator of the chapter is James Herriot, the writer himself. Mrs. Pumphrey is the owner of the dog, and the dog is Tricky. Children, I have already acquainted you with the characters of the story. Now, let's delve deep into the story. The story goes like this. Mrs. Pumphrey is a rich lady. She takes her dog Tricky for a walk. A nearby veterinary doctor, Dr. Herriot, sees the dog and is shocked as the dog looks like a bloated sausage with a leg at each end. The dog's eyes were bloodshot and it walked with great difficulty. Mrs. Pumphrey, the owner of the dog, used to pamper her dog and had overfed Tricky with malt, cod liver oil, bowl of Horlicks, sweets, cream cakes, chocolates, etc. And because of that, the dog had become listless, lethargic, and overweight. The narrator, Dr. Herriot, now advises Mrs. Pumphrey to stop feeding the dog with unhealthy foodstuff that was unsuitable for it, but she gives in to Tricky's love for food in spite of doctor's advice to restrict the dog's diet. As a result of all this, the dog now falls sick, and the narrator is Dr. Herriot is called because the dog has refused to eat even his favorite dishes, has bouts of vomiting, and spends all his time lying on the rug, panting heavily. The doctor tells Mrs. Pumphrey that the dog needs to be hospitalized. At the surgery, the dog is not given food for the first 2 days, and the doctor cleansed his system by giving him plenty of water diet. The other dogs at the surgery ignored Tricky. After 2 days, the dog whimpered a bit, and on the third day he showed some movement and licked the bowls of other dogs. The simple measure of fasting the dog and making him run with the other dogs and joining them in their friendly scrimmages brought about steady progress in Tricky's condition. His condition now started improving. When Mrs. Pumphrey got the news, she started selling eggs, bottle of wine, brandy, as she thought it would help Tricky to regain its health. All these things are consumed by the doctor and his partners. But the doctor is very considerate and does not take undue advantage of anyone's trust. He does not prolong Tricky's stay simply to keep the supply of goodies sent by Mrs. Pumphrey. Instead, he informs Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky could be now taken back home. 2 weeks stay at the surgery Surgery here means hospital. Transforms Tricky into a lithe, hard-muscled animal. This transformation took place because the doctor had put Tricky on a strict diet. Mrs. Pumphrey was overwhelmed to see the quick recovery of her pet. Mrs. Pumphrey said that the dog's recovery was a triumph of surgery because she believed that such a quick and complete cure was possible only after surgery. But children, she was not right in thinking so, as Tricky had recovered through the simple process of strict diet and exercise and not by surgery. So students, through this story, A Triumph of Surgery, the author conveys the message that our love for our pets should not be expressed by pampering them too much, because it could be life-threatening for them. In fact, pets needs a balance between indulgence and strictness. A restricted, wholesome diet supplemented with plenty of exercise is all that is needed to keep one's pet healthy, because excess of everything is bad, even if it is of love. I hope you all have understood the story. Thank you so much.